What is up, everybody? DanDanTheFireman here. I'm announcing real quick that I am launching for free my last course that I made for the MTC Rider Academy. This is 46 videos. It goes from the MTC awareness stages, the plan method, how to ride a motorcycle with Nathan, our guest instructor back in the day, and then some in-town riding, how to ride up a mountain, how to ride at night, highway riding, neighborhood riding, all that stuff. We go over the basics of rescue, so remain calm, ensure your own safety, stop major bleeds, quickly assess severity. And then we have Prep Medic. If you have seen him before, if you've been on Motorcycle Training Concepts YouTube channel before, he teaches you how to use all the stuff in the rescue pack. But if you want to create your own trauma kit, it tells you how to do everything using a tourniquet, how to do direct pressure, how to pack the wound, how to use a sling and swath, trauma shears, how to put gloves on, all that stuff. 46 videos, and right now it's going to be unlisted from today until July 15th, and then it's going to go out every single day, Monday through Friday, for about the next 9 weeks. So make sure you guys get in now so you can watch all of it. But also, inside every single description, there's a 30% discount for the digital drill booklet that goes on your phone so you can practice the Smart Rider drills. The reason why I'm doing this is because I am going to be taking a quick break for the rest of July. I might be coming back in August because I'm making a whole new course, and I want to show you guys real quick what that course looks like so far. I'm switching different platforms. So for those of you that are already currently in the academy, I'll be sending emails. You get a whole free year. But we're going over a whole new set of skills, whole new set of structure, so that it's a little bit easier and quicker, and it's going to have more information at the same time. So I learned a lot from the last two courses that I've created, and I'm going to be implementing quite a bit more into this one. So what that means is I'm going to be investing in a whole new motorcycle. My whole goal is to get a brand new Rebel 500 so I can show you guys the best, I think, the best beginner motorcycle out there, especially for beginners and short people like me. And then I'm going to be investing into some rescue, or well, basically some trauma equipment so that I can show you how to do a tourniquet on myself and then do some other things with the dummy that I have here in the class. But it's going to be a lot of fun. I'm looking forward to building this out. It's already set up. I just need to go film. So that's why I'm getting the bike and everything. But I'm going to take a break in July to really emphasize some training. So now there's not going to be any live streams for July, but I might be back in August for that. So, with that said, make sure you guys check the description of this video so you can get the playlist. And once again, on Monday, July 15th, all of these are going to be scheduled. So, you're really only going to be able to see the first one. And then every single day, there's going to be a new one. So, if you want to get in there right now, make sure you watch all the videos right now. With that said, hope you guys ride safe, be safe, and I'll be seeing you guys in August.